Here at DPG, we like to make learning easy for you or your team. Our flexible, no-nonsense CIPD programs are designed to fit around your life, so you can study anytime, anywhere. Our blended learning programs give you a unique mix of exclusive live online workshops, e-learning and community collaboration. You'll have access to module-specific webinars that you can join when it's convenient for you. Our workshops, delivered remotely, are a totally immersive and interactive experience where you'll develop and share your knowledge and skills alongside other learners. You'll also get expert advice on the topic and your assessment, as well as the chance to network with other professionals. All our workshops are led by a CIPD-approved facilitator, so you know you're in good hands. For every module you study, you'll complete a written assignment that you'll submit online. And don't worry, if you don't pass an assignment first time, you'll be able to have another go with feedback and advice from your facilitator. Whatever your learning style, we'll be with you every step of the way. Want to know more? Dive in at dpglearn.co.uk.